Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial, we will learn how to search multiple text in Microsoft Word quickly and efficiently. This is a powerful technique when working with logo or long documents, reports, research papers, forms, legal files, and professional documents where you need to find and manage multiple word or phrase at once. Many users only search on word at one a time, which can be slow, repetitive, and error prone. In this video, we will discover smart methods using find, advanced search, and replace tools to locate multiple keywords in seconds. So let's get started. We can see here a document. This is assignment. Now you want to find any word to this assignment. You can go the home menu, then select the find option, and we can see here open a navigation bar. Now I find some text like how. We can see here the how text list. Otherwise here show the all how, and the how is highlighted. You can select the how using this find option. Now I try another text like them. We can see here some of them word here. You can find any word using this way. Otherwise you can replace any word. Go back again the find option and select this replace option. We can see here the find and replace option. You can find anything. This word is find and this is replace. You can replace one, otherwise replace all. Now you can select this replace and the replace all. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than video very soon. Thanks for watching.